Overland Radical Breach exists to harness the amazing possibilities provided by electric vehicle technology to create truly unique, functional masterpieces in our luxury product line. Orb is breaking every conceivable notion of normality in traditional sports utility vehicle design to deliver a truly exceptional and iconic driving experience. The all-electric Hypertruck currently comes in two customizable models: the luxury spec, the Lu X, and the off-road Sahara, the Off X. Over the last 10 years, we have brought together the finest engineers and EV experts to create the ultimate overland vehicle for the 21st century. But let's take a deeper look at what our Hypertrucks have to offer. The Hypertrucks also come with a host of unique features and options such as bulletproof glass, winch, tethered drone, collapsible solar umbrella charging, 10,000 pound towing package, and much more. Bespoke work, futuristic results. This is Orb.